Hello friends, this is Bindu Kumar here. Let's solve this question. Write the first four terms of the arithmetic progression when the first term a and the common difference d are given as follows. So here we have a equal to -1 and d equal to 1 by 2. Now we have to write down the first four terms of the arithmetic progression. But before that, let's write the form of an arithmetic progression or the formula of an arithmetic progression. So given numbers a1, a2, a3, we can say it is arithmetic progression if they are of the form a plus d, a plus 2d, and so on. Also, here we have the common difference, which is d. D can be calculated as a of n plus 1 minus a of n. For example, d equal to a3 minus a2, and this value should also be equal to a2 minus a1. Now let's apply this formula to find out the first four terms. So first I'll write down a1. a1 will always be equal to a, and a here is given as -1. Next we'll calculate a2. a2 we can calculate as a plus d. This is the formula. So I'll say a plus d. Now a we know is -1 plus d is 1 by 2. So -1 plus 1 by 2. Now we have to add a whole number with a fraction. So what I'll do is I'll add a denominator here, although it does not exist. So by default it will be 1. So -1 by 1 is still -1. Once we have this, we will multiply the numerator with denominator. So -1 into 2, -1 into 2. Then in the middle we have the plus sign here. So I'll write plus. Then this numerator into this denominator. So which is 1 into 1. The whole thing divided by denominator into denominator, which is 1 into 2. So let's solve this equation. We'll get -2 plus 1 divided by 2, which is -1 by 2. So let's calculate a of 3 now. A of 3 will be a plus 2d. Again, a is -1 plus 2 into d is 1 by 2. So solving this will get -1 plus 2 into 1 by 2 will become 2 by 2. So 2 by 2 will be equivalent to 1. So -1 plus 1 we get 0. So 0 is the answer for a of 3. Remember, we have to find out the first four terms. So far we identified 3 terms. So the fourth term a of 4 will be a plus 3d. A is -1 plus 3 into 1 by 2, which is -1 plus 3 by 2. Now using the same approach, first I'll write a denominator here. So first calculate the numerator into denominator, which is -1 into 2. Then the plus sign. Then again the numerator into denominator, 1 into 3 divided by denominator into denominator, which will give me -2 plus 3 divided by 2, which is 1 by 2. So we have identified 4 numbers: -1, -1 by 2, 0 and 1 by 2. So the first four terms of the arithmetic progression where a equal to minus 1 and d equal to 1 by 2 are minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 0 and 1 by 2. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to like, subscribe and click on the bell button to get notified of new videos.